Guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Today I'm back with 4 spring Pinterest outfits where I take my Pinterest inspirations from my little board and recreate them using clothes I already have in my own wardrobe. So let's get to it. We got some that are so cute and I'm so excited. Some I don't know how they're gonna go, but you know, it's always part of the process, okay? It's also about to storm outside, so hopefully it's not loud, thundery, and the lighting might be a little wonky, but hopefully we can make that through. So let's start with look number 1. This one's my most out of the box. I don't have anything seriously similar to all of this. I mean, I do, but I would never pair them together, but we're gonna try, we're gonna see. We're getting out of our box with color this year, I think. I mean, this is the only one. The rest are pretty boring and basic, but, I mean, not boring and basic, boring, or basic. Not boring to me because I love a good basic outfit. But anyway, this is the inspiration. She's colorful. I think her top is green, not yellow, but we're gonna go with green. We're gonna see. I'm worried about this one, but let's put on our little Uniqlo jeans. I did decide to keep the 24 if you watched my spring outfits because I do think that they will stretch, and one of you agreed with me, so that was, one was enough for me, okay? So let's pop these on, and yes, I think they will stretch as well. Like, this is the second time putting them on and I already don't feel like they pull as much as they did the first time. But anyway, jeans on. She has like kind of a creamy jean. She has red sandals on, or red like jelly flats, some sort of flat. So we're gonna use my red jellies. I'm like in love. I cannot wait to wear these all spring and summer long. Okay, now the top. I think hers is green or yellow, but it's striped. She has some ties. I don't have anything quite like that, but we're gonna try the green top that I do have. It could go completely wrong, but we're just gonna trust the process and try it anyways. I got this button up last summer from Zara, and I love it. It's huge though. It's like very, very big. So let's see if we can make this work. I almost feel like it's too big. It's kind of a dress. Like, I have dresses longer than this, or shorter than this, I think. But whatever, we're gonna try to make it work. The colors are working together so far. This has like a grayish, purplish stripe with a white stripe in there. I don't know, this is like a color combination I would have never chosen, but honestly, it's kind of cute so far. I'm not mad at it. I think I'm gonna leave a lot of it tucked out the back because I don't want to add too much bulk to these pants. But this is honestly not bad. I never ever would go this bold with like this many colors and patterns and textures. But it's kind of giving. I have so many like extra hair ties that I could just keep up here, and I need to because I never have one when I need it. But I'm just gonna go ahead and just kind of put this, it's like a little clip thing, in my hair, because she has hers like, I think rated or something, I don't know. So let's pop this in. I don't know, it's really the only thing I have right now. And honestly, it could work. No, it really doesn't work that well, but we're just gonna imagine it's a clip or a hair tie. But she's all like drinking her coffee or whatever. This is honestly really fun. Not something I would have ever thought to put together, but I'm not mad at this at all. I think it's actually adorable. I think this year is the year I'm gonna get into so many braids this spring and summer because I love a good braid, and my hair's been short for so long that I haven't. I used to do the big chunky braids. I still love it. But anyway, this is look number 1. It didn't go as bad as I thought it was going to. What do you guys think? Would you wear this? I think it works, honestly. Again, never thought it would, but surprised myself with this one. She looks adorable, and I think we executed. We executed. So, stepping outside my box a little bit. That's what these videos are all about, is A, encouraging me, and B, hopefully encouraging you to play around with the clothes you already have and try them styling in different ways so you can get more use out of the clothes that we already own. Because there's so much newness in this world. We don't need to be encouraged by new, believe me. We do need a little encouragement to kind of re-fall in love with and build what we already have. So let's move on to look number 2. So look number 2, I did just add this skirt to my collection, and I've yet to wear this button down either. It was one of those pieces that when I saw this button down, I was like, I will wear that. Like, I might as well just get it. And it's been up here in the closet, and I just haven't styled it, nonetheless. And then the skirt, I got in the wrong size, but I already ordered the next size, and this one's damaged. So, needless to say, I'm going to style the pieces, and we're gonna get the smaller skirt in the mail next week or something. But let's do it. She's so cute. I love this. This is definitely something that's a little more springtime for me because the button-up is a thicker shirt. It's like a denim. Mine is. I don't know about hers, but let's go ahead and put on, let's put on the button-up first. Ooh, this would look kind of good with this. This is denim, so it would look good with anything. I need to wear this more often. I need to bring it downstairs. This is their like big shirt, whatever that means, but it is in a small. I didn't go super big because I know it's already oversized. This is actually cute with this. Okay, so let's do some styling with it really quick. Button, and roll these. And I'm going to put on the little skirt. And then I'm gonna wear my fisherman sandals. So this is definitely like an outfit that I've had pinned for a minute. And now we have all the pieces for it. I can't believe I was missing like a little mini like skirt thing like this. This is a skirt from Gap. I will just say if you get this, just know it runs oversized. But if you want to wear it low, then go true to size. But I'm getting an extra small because I wanted to set a little more mid-waist instead of hips. That makes sense. But let's put her on. I'm damaged in the mail though. Like there's like this part where they like sealed the bag and it sealed the skirt too, which is kind of a bummer. Ignore my beautiful boo-boo knee. Last night I like went to change the Band-Aid and I like ripped the Band-Aids off, and I thought I had a high pain tolerance, but I like ripped this Band-Aid off and the like foam part had woven into the boo-boo. I about thought I died. And then I was like, maybe I don't have a high pain tolerance. Anyways, see how this is just, like, even if it sits on my, like, natural waist, it's still big. So I want it to fit, like, to here. So I could use probably, like, 2 inches off, 1.5 inches off. But I'm going to hold on to this until, because I might just get this altered because I like the length of this. And it is a skirt. I love this so much. Okay, but for now, we're just going to make it work. But yeah, it's just too big. Okay, so I think she's just tucked in the front. Yes. Yeah, it's just like way too big for what I want. But we're gonna make it work for this outfit because I think it's cute. Okay, now I'm hoping I love my fisherman sandals with this because I have tried so many different outfits and I've hated them. But I love these, so I want to love them. I've been wanting a pair of these for so long, and these are the exact pair. And then when they went on sale, I bought them, and then I got them, and then I was like, ugh, what? How do I wear these? Okay, this might be it. It's really cute with my Band-Aid, I'll tell you what. It's cute with the skirt. Very, very cute. So I just like worry that it like can cut me off weird, but I was like, it's a lot of leg, you know? So I felt like it works. And these are, I know these will be like insanely comfortable, like to wear all the time because they're just good. Okay, this is so cute. I wish this skirt was my size. That's okay. We're getting a bigger skirt. Okay, and then she has her hair up. So let's attempt to do that. She has a pair of sunnies like on her shirt like that. Like trying to stick my belly out. So the skirt stays up. It's so cute though. Like honestly, I'm obsessed. This is such a good, and I feel like I always want to buy it and it's always out of stock. So it's like, if you want these sort of things now, even if it's not like, you know, as I just told you, don't buy stuff. If you need one, I mean, no one needs anything. If you've always wanted one, if If it's been on your wish list, girl, get it now. Don't wait till summer. Or pull yours out if you were smart enough to buy one last year or whatevs. Okay. And it's kind of going to be messy because, hold on. This is so cute. I love this. Yeah, this just needs to be a little smaller and I would still be able to tuck things in, but this is like honestly the most perfect skirt. I wish I had pockets, but I understand why it doesn't. What is this though? Oh, my shirt. I'm like, what is that material? And it's like not see-through at all. It is lined with the shorts. So cute. I think I will wear the heck out of this. And I like pairing it with this dark shirt. I think it works. Cute. Her, me, what do we think? I think I nailed it. And I honestly love the little fisherman sandals, especially because this skirt is very like small and, you know, teeny. It kind of adds a little like, I don't know, fun to the outfit. So love. Okay, I think the reason these shoes really throw me too is because I have small feet, but I feel like these make me look like I have big feet because they're very like elongated. So I feel like it looks like, whoa, she's got big feet. But you know, you're the only one that looks down at your shoes like this. Everyone else looks at you like this. So anyhow, just remind myself that sometimes. Let's move on to look number 3. I think we nailed this one. I think it's so cute. I cannot wait to get this in the smaller size. Prepare to be sick of me because I'm going to wear this a million different ways. Okay, let's move on to look number 3 though. Okay, look number 3, giving Betty coastal. I'm here for it. This one's going to be for my girls who like, it's actually cold where you live, okay? So let's put on a pair of white jeans. I'm going to go with my Levi because the next outfit, I'm going to use my like larger ones. Ooh, or like my baggier ones. But we're going to go with my Levi's for now. My 501s. Let's pop those on really quick. Levi 501s. I don't know if I still have these, but they're like such a good color jean. Okay, and then she has like a white linen button up, so we're gonna layer that on. It's all about layers in this. And I haven't worn my denim jacket in so long, so I'm actually insanely excited. And she has clogs on. She has like a gray pair, but I'm just gonna wear my little taupey pair. This would also look fun with like a pastel color clog or flat or something. It would look so cute with that. All right, let's put on our button up. I was worried that my jeans are like a little more creamier than the button up, but it's gonna be fine. Let me take this out. Ow. Ow. Okay. So I think I'm gonna leave it all just kind of like undone, I think. I cannot wait to wear all white on white and wear my white linen and just, I love a linen button up. It's my favorite piece. Okay, next she has a denim jacket. I love this one from Quince. I've had it for a while, but I haven't worn it in a while. I got this in a medium. Now I probably would have get it in a small just because, well, it's not too oversized. It's oversized, but it's not like insanely oversized. No, honestly, it kind of works. I don't want anything like cropped. This is just like the definition of spring to me, like a denim jacket with a white on white outfit. I kind of love it. So cute. And then she has a layered sweater over the shoulder, which you guys know I love a good sweater. It's giving coastal. It's giving cold Florida. That never happens. Cold Texas. That never happens. Cold wherever. Maine. But so cute. Okay, I think I nailed this one. Yes, I want to wear this immediately, but will it get cold enough? I don't know. This is like a winter outfit for me because this is Texas's winter outfit, but I think this is so cute. Please wear this if you live in a place where you can wear layers like this for spring because this is so good. And with a pop of a red bag, like a tote bag like this, so cute. There is this tote bag that I'm eyeing. It's called from Alice and Olive, not Alice and Olivia, but it's like this embroidered Texas tote bag. I don't need it, but I need it. I'm thinking about it really hard. Please send it off. They have a Chicago one and a New York one, like a New York City one. They have cups, stickers, such cute stuff. This tote bag is like living rent free in my brain. Not really. It's living on my Instagram feed because I liked it. Anyway, this is it. So cute, so good. Love. Ooh, you know what this would be good for? We're going to Colorado at the end of the summer. This would be perf, right? It gets colder there, right? But it's still summer, so this would work. Let's move on to the fourth and final look. I'm actually not wearing this look for the rest of the day because like I said, it's raining and I'm not wearing white jeans when it's raining, but normally I always plan it where I wear the last outfit for the rest of the day, but not today because like I said, it's gonna rain and I'm probably just gonna put on something comfy and cozy. But this I thought was cute. Body oil is going crazy. Does anyone have like just too much of a sensory issue where they can't do stuff like that? Like even when my makeup on my neck is not set, I lose my mind. My makeup on my face, if it's like sticky, makes me want to lose my brains. So I don't know how she does it. Like that would drive me, I would have way too much sensory overload. I know that you can get like dry oil, which I might try, but like also it kind of gives like Tin Man, but it's not at the same time. I don't know. Let's put on our other jeans. Okay, so she has kind of like a, I don't know, they might be linen or trouser. I have these A Goldie ones that I feel like kind of give that same vibe. I did buy the little Javianas. I think now that I look, she has like a tan pair, but I'm gonna just do these because we're doing like black accessory and navy. And these are just like a great little flip-flop. I understand why everyone goes gaga over them. I might try the square toe ones from Old Navy as well. There's so much from Old Navy that I really want to try right now. But anyways, pants on. Let's put on this little tank top. Similar situation. So I haven't tried it on yet. Okay, so this is one of those little like bra-free tank top things from Abercrombie. Hold on, I need to tuck this in. Honestly, so excited to try this on once my boobs aren't down to my belly button. To my belly button! I'm just kidding. But I am excited to try this on like post boob job. Which, as you're watching this, it's already happened, so it will just be so much nicer when they sit up here. Anyway, I think I will live in these little like tank top. I also got it in yellow. I think I will live in these in the spring, in the summer and spring. And they're adjustable in the back. I just never used to like myself in spaghetti straps, but I don't know, now I do, so I'm here for it. And it's way too hot to not be in a spaghetti strap, so especially if I'm covered on the bottom, I think it's cute. Okay, so I tied in the black accessory with the black shoes. Even though this is navy, my accessories are black. I think it works. And then she's her hair up, but we're not gonna put my hair up because I feel like I would wear it down. Maybe I wouldn't though. Okay, no, I'm not keeping this up. It's not staying up, so we're not keeping it up. But anyway, could wear it up, could wear it down. But this is just a very simple, cute outfit. Adorable. She's all glowy and cute and I'm all just like looking crusty and pale because I didn't want to do a tan right before I went in for surgery. I don't know. I had this weird thing of like when they sew it up, the sunless tan will get caught in the stitches and then it'll never go away and then like I'll look weird. A moment for my weirdness. Anyway, this was the final look. A perfect like springy summer. Like I say, this might be more summer for some people, but for me, this is spring because anything with jeans is spring, but I think it's so cute. Love the like big barrely pants at the bottom. These are the Luna, I think, tapered from a Goldie. Truly worth it in my opinion, but I love them. And then just a little tank. I think it works. So that's it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed. As always, I'll let you know what your favorite outfit was in the comments down below. And as always, these videos are here to kind of help you realize that you have some of these things in your wardrobe already, or maybe your style isn't just like mine, but you could look at things on Pinterest and find different ways to style things. You can simply search, like let's say denim jacket, you haven't worn a denim jacket in a while, or white jeans or whatever it is, and find outfits that resonate with you and try different things. Like my first outfit was so different for me, but I think it turned out cute. So I love you guys so much. Thank y'all for watching, and I'll see you in the next one very, very soon. Bye.